name is Marco Caricato. I'm a computational chemist. My area of expertise is electronic structure theory. I'm originally from Italy, so that's where I did my PhD at the Scuola Normale Superiore in Pisa, where I developed or helped developing solvation models. Then I moved to the US for my postdoc between Yale and Gaussian, which is a company that produces the software called Gaussian. And there I worked developing electronic structure methods for excited state properties. Then I actually worked at Gaussian for a number of years as a research scientist, still developing these methods, wave function methods for electronic structure of excited states. And then after that, I moved to KU and I started my academic career here. My research program is based on electronic structure theory, both in terms of development of methods. This is mostly focused on light-matter interaction and response properties of both molecules and materials. But we also do a lot of applications to interesting chemical problems, mostly related to catalysis, both homogeneous and heterogeneous catalysis, and this type of work is really in strong collaboration with experimental groups. My students obviously do most of the research in the group. They either come interested in development, so the project is targeted towards developing new methods, or more towards the applications. And so what they do depends a little bit on what they are more interested in, but everybody has their projects that work on, and then we discuss together about all of the issues and how to move forward, and I'm just like the facilitator of the research. By the nature of our work, since we don't really deal with real samples, right? There are a lot of opportunities for collaborations, especially with experimental groups. We have published papers with like 4 or 5 faculty members here at KU already, in the inorganic or the organic division, or in chemical engineering, but we also have collaborations with groups outside of KU, national and international groups. So my students learn to talk to experimental groups and share their results and move the research forward. So far, students that have graduated from my group have gone on to do postdocs in national labs or other universities, and then they have moved on to industry jobs, mostly related to computational chemistry of some kind. However, a few students have also gone to industry as software developers in tech firms. Since we're a computational group, we mostly use the supercomputing center that's hosted at the university level in a different facility. That's a great facility for us because we don't have to worry about maintaining the machines and update the software and worry when something breaks. So that's a great facility that KU has set up for us.